Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you a free pattern for a raised leaf hat. And you can make this hat without a pom-pom like this, or with one. And this is a crochet pom-pom, which uses much less yarn than a real pom-pom. And I put the link below this video for the video on how to make a crochet pom-pom. And the pattern is worked in the round, so it's really quite easy. And then you just gather it at the top to form it into a hat. So I posted the written pattern on my blog. The link is below. The raised leaf is worked similar to my raised leaf motif, and I'll put the link below for that too. And if a video is really wanted, post it in the comments below, and if I get enough comments, I will post a how-to tutorial. So there you go. I hope you click on the link and have a look at how easy this pattern is to work up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.